Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.